Tell me what is the answer.
सर एक मिनट डिवीजन करो.
You got 1050 or not?
No sir.
Yeah.
No. नहीं.
What is the answer you are getting? ये क्वेश्चन बुक में आप घर पर ट्राई करो. वी विल एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके.
Yes sir.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, am I audible to you people? Yeah, ma'am. Okay, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes more. Please revise the topics that we did in the last class. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Shreya. Please revise the topics that we did in the last class. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any difference between the bicuspid and the tricuspid valve?
Sorry, Shreya, what you said there?
I just asked, like, is there any difference between bicuspid and tricuspid valve?
Difference you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
The difference is dear. One is between left atrium and left ventricle, and one is between right atrium and right.
Like, anything other than that?
No.
Also, like, they have the same function, everything same, except for the positions.
Sorry?
So everything same in both the cases except for the
Everything is same. Yes, everything is same.
position.
Even
Okay,
the
ma'am.
function is same, but only their location is different.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you people revised?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please switch on your camera. Starting with the revision first.
Yes, ma'am. No, that's okay.
Mantisha, starting with you, dear.
Yeah, ma'am.
How many valves are there? And please specify their location also.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
How many valves are there? Specify their location.
There is like aortic valve between the left ventricle and aorta, and a pulmonary valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary vein,
Okay.
and
Yes, there are two more valves. In total, how many valves are there, Mantasha?
two, four.
In total, we have four valves. Okay. You have told me. What about the other two valves? Not told.
That bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve.
Location.
Um, like the left atrium and uh, ma'am, I can't explain. Like I know the valve, but I can't explain the location.
Priya, can you tell me? Tricuspid and bicuspid valves are present where?
Ma'am, the bicuspid valve is present between the left atrium and the left ventricle, and the tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle.
Is it clear to you, Mantasha?
Yeah.
Okay, Shreya, please switch on your camera. I can't see your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, another question for Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Which two veins carry the deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart?
Uh, the superior and the inferior vena cava.
Very good. And can you tell me the blood from the superior and inferior vena cava goes to which atrium?
Right atrium.
Okay, from that, from then after from right atrium, Tell me the
Yeah.
whole circulation if you remember.
And then like it enters the bicuspid valve, and then from it enters the no, and then I think it enters the aorta.
No. If the blood is in right atrium, so how the bicuspid valve will open? The tricuspid valve will open because
Oh
it is
my bad,
right
I'm the
atrium and
so
right
that if you
ventricle.
go to the first it's in the atrium, if you go to the ventricle, and then ventricle, and then from it the other valve, the
By the opening of the
pulmonary valve.
pulmonary valve.
Yeah, by the opening of the pulmonary valve, it will enter the aorta.
No, by the opening of the pulmonary valve, it goes through the pulmonary artery to the lungs for oxygenation.
Pulmonary artery. Oh yes, ma'am.
And from the lungs, your pulmonary veins will carry the oxygenated blood. Okay. Then that blood will enter into the left atrium. By the opening of the bicuspid valve, it goes to left ventricle, and by the opening of the aortic valve, the blood will go from left ventricle to aorta and is circulated to whole body through that aorta. Okay?
Okay,
Understood?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mantasha, clear to you also?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start with the heartbeat. Okay? So if I say that heartbeat is the sound or the number of times your heart contracts and relaxes to pump the blood. Okay. So if I talk about the heartbeat, okay, this one. Yeah. So if I talk about the heartbeat, so it is the number of times the heart contracts, heart or the heart muscles. Okay. Because ultimately the heart muscles are responsible for the contraction and relaxation. So the number of times the heart muscles contract and relax, contract and relax to pump the blood. Okay, to pump the blood. Now, can you tell me what kind of a sound is heard when the heart is pumping the blood? Any idea? Hello?
Yes.
There is a specific sound of lub dub. Okay?
Yeah.
Specific sound of lub dub. Okay? And this sound is the heartbeat. Fine? Understood? Now, what do you think? What could be the normal heart? See, heartbeat or the heart rate. Okay? So, these are the same. So, normal heart rate, if I talk about, will be equal to 60 to 100 beats per minute. So your heart, if the heart is contracting and relaxing, okay, it is beating between this range 60 to 100. That means it's normal, okay. And abnormal is when either it will go below 60 or above 100, okay, beats per minute. BPM is beats per minute. Understood? Hello? Am I not audible
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then please respond whenever I ask something, okay? So, have you people understood this? The
Yes, ma'am.
normal range is 60 to 100, okay? And the abnormal is it can go below 60 and it can go above 100. Now, if it is going below 60, then that condition is bradycardia. Okay, this is another term. Although you don't have this in your textbook, but for your understanding, I'm telling you this. The condition is bradycardia.
As in
Okay.
like shortness of breath.
Yes, this will lead to the shortness of breath, and also if it will go beyond 100, then also it will cause the shortness of breath, because we know that when it is going up 100, okay, going beyond the level, so that means your heart rate is increasing. Your heart is pumping the blood at a faster rate. Ultimately, the heart muscles will be fatigued. Yes or no? And the heart rate is increasing just because so as to compensate the oxygen level in the body. The oxygen level is low, so your heart is pumping at a faster rate so that your body could meet the demands
Yes.
of oxygen. Okay. Similarly, with the 60 also, if this is going below 60, that means the heart is not pumping effectively. Okay. It is pumping slowly. Then also in that case, there will be the shortness of breath. Okay. So this is bradycardia and this is tachycardia. Okay. Whenever it will go beyond 100, so that will be tachycardia. And if it is going below 60, that is bradycardia. Okay. And we hear the sounds. Okay, first you write this, then I'll explain you about the stethoscope.
Okay, ma'am.
Write about this.
BPM is beat per minute, right?
This is beats per minute. BPM is beats per minute.
Done, ma'am.
Is it done for all? Shreya, have you written this?
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
Now, let's talk about the stethoscope. Okay. So, any idea when do you use the stethoscope? When the doctors use the stethoscope?
Ma'am, they use it to check the heartbeat.
Yes. So, stethoscope is your device this is a device or instrument which is used to hear the heartbeat. Okay. Instrument used to hear the heartbeat. Okay. Understood? Also, this can be used to hear the abnormal lung sounds. Okay. Here, abnormal lung sounds. Okay. So, this must be, if I'm writing abnormal lung sounds or you have to hear the heartbeat. So, this could be heard in the any disease, okay, any condition, any abnormality. See, if the person is healthy, so you would be able to hear the heartbeat also, and if you hear the lung sound, so they will be also the normal one. But what if there is any underlying condition? Okay, so in that case, the lung sounds are also different, okay, and heartbeat is also very slow. Okay, understood? So for that you use the stethoscope. Now let's understand the parts. Okay, so if you can see this stethoscope, so there is the earpiece. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
earpieces are there which are inserted into your ear. Okay, a chest piece is there which is having a membrane which is known as diaphragm. Okay, this is the tube which is connecting the both. Okay, we have other parts also. So I'm explaining. Let's say here you have the area which is known as the bell. Okay, and here you have the stem also. Fine, it is not clear in this image. So let me explain you with the help of the stethoscope. Are you able to see the stethoscope? Is it visible to you? Yes.
What, ma'am?
Now let's talk
Yeah,
about
ma'am.
the
Yeah,
upper part first. Okay,
yes,
let's
ma'am.
talk about the upper part first. So these are your earpiece, this one and this one. Okay, these are inserted into your ear. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
These are
Ma'am.
earpieces that are inserted into your ear. Okay.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
then if I come on to, we have this tube. Okay. This tube is connecting the chest piece. Okay. This is your chest piece and this is your tube, which is connecting both the areas. Okay. Understood? Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And what do you call these metallic areas? Any idea? These are the
Mm,
ear tubes. Okay. Just as we are calling them as earpiece, these are your ear tubes. Understood? And this
oh,
is your complete tubing till the chest piece. Okay. Till the chest piece, it is the tubing. Understood? Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Now let's talk about the chest piece. So at this area, I think you could, if you can see in this, um, yes. So this is the stem. Okay. This elongated part is stem. Understood? Are you able to see it? This is the stem. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see this. This is the complete chest piece. So the part which is at the back, this one, we hold it like this. Whenever we will hear the lung sounds, we hold it like this. Okay, because if I put my finger onto this, or if I hold it like this, so I won't be able to hear the sounds
Okay.
correctly. Okay,
Ma'am.
okay, because I
Okay.
have a membrane. I have a membrane here. Okay, this membrane is known as the diaphragm. Okay, this membrane is known as the diaphragm. This is the bell. Okay, this is the bell part.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
So like the okay, the part opposite to diaphragm part is the bell part.
Whatever you hear, you place this diaphragm onto that area to hear it. Okay,
Oh, okay.
if you want to hear the heartbeat, you have to place it over here. Okay, if you have to hear the lung sound, so you have to move it onto your lungs superficially. Okay, you will be able to hear those sounds. You keep this diaphragm onto the part to hear those sounds. Okay, and you hold the at the back like this. You hold the bell like this, not like this or putting the finger onto it. No, the correct position is to hold it like this. Okay, we have the
Okay.
stem here. There is a significance of the stem. If I tilt it, so I won't be able to hear something from here. Okay, and if I tilt it to another side, I would be able to hear the things from this side. Okay, so this is just to adjust. The stem is just to, by rotating, I can adjust it so that I can hear the sounds from where I want it. Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
I know this is a medical part. I'm just explaining you all the parts for the stethoscope. Any doubt in any of the point?
No, ma'am.
I think Mantasha is also there in the meeting.
Ma'am, the contraction of the muscles in the heart, what is it known as?
Contraction of the muscles in heart is the heart rate, dear. Contraction and relaxation. Heartbeat, heart rate, or pulse rate.
Okay.
Have you not written this? I've
No,
written the
I
same
wrote.
thing.
No, because our ma'am told there is like a specific name, but I forgot the name. That's why I asked.
Okay, that is the number of times your heart is beating. And beating is something equal to, beat is something equal to contraction and relaxation of the heart. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, this circulation we have already understood. Yes or no? I think you people don't have this part in your textbook. This we have already done with the video also. That from the superior and inferior vena cava, these are your two veins. Okay, your blood is going into the right atrium. Okay, this is the superior, this is the inferior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood is coming into the right atrium. Okay, from there, by the opening of the tricuspid valve, it is going into the right ventricle. Okay, by the opening of the pulmonary valve, it is going through the pulmonary artery into the lungs. Okay, it is going to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay, again from the lungs, it is being carried by the pulmonary veins. Okay, to the left ventricle. Okay, from the pulmonary veins, it is coming into the, sorry, left atrium. By the opening of the bicuspid valve, it is going down into the left ventricle, and by the opening of the aortic valve, okay, your blood is circulated to all parts of the body. The oxygenated blood is circulated to all parts of the body wherever it is required. Okay, understood? This is the whole circulation of the heart. Okay, there was one question, that what do you think, in what conditions the heart rate is increased?
Ma'am, the one which you wrote down? The
Sorry,
bad. Ma'am, like due to overexertion.
Yes, due to exertional activities, or I can say exercises. Yes or no? After
Yeah, like over, like
exercises also.
when you do it an over, yes, ma'am.
Yes, and whenever you are coming after running, okay, after swimming, after jogging, so your heart rate get increase. But within a minute or within few seconds, it come back to its original beat. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Come to
Okay.
normal range. Now, any idea? We know that arteries can be only felt. They can't be seen, just as you can see your veins. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So one more point I want to write, that arteries can be felt but can't be seen as veins. Okay. Now can you tell me, Shreya, first of all, switch on your camera. Why your camera is
Oh,
getting off again and again?
yes, very well.
Are you switching it off?
No, like
Then
as in I'm okay with switching it on. I don't have any problem now.
no.
Mm, ma'am, now can you see me?
Yes, I can see you now.
Okay.
Yes. So now can you tell me where your pulse rate can be felt? Now we are not observing the rate from the heart, so we are not calling it as the heart rate, but we are using another term, pulse rate. So pulse rate can be felt at different,
Arteries.
sorry,
In the arteries?
yes, pulse rate can be felt through the arteries. Okay, but at what at what places? Any idea where you can feel your artery? Have you seen it? Have you ever felt it on your wrist
I was doing the same
like
thing, ma'am.
this with the two fingers? You put your fingers onto the radial side. Okay, so here you have the radial artery. So first location is wrist. Okay, at wrist you have the radial artery. Okay, radial artery is there. Okay, what other place? Can I say neck? Here you
Yes.
can feel your
Yeah.
artery. There is a lubbed up sound like this.
Yes, ma'am, over
Okay,
here.
whenever you will be feeling the artery, okay,
Yeah.
whenever you will be feeling the pulse rate, it will do like this, lubbed up sound. Okay, so at the neck region, we have the carotid artery. Okay, carotid artery. Mantasha, are you getting it?
Ma'am, I can feel it more on my neck than my wrist.
Sorry.
I can feel it more on my neck than my wrist.
Okay, but sometimes many of the people can feel their pulse rate easily onto the wrist rather than onto this carotid artery.
For me,
Okay,
it's a complete opposite.
yeah. Then what other places? Any idea?
Ma'am, I think somewhere in the leg, I'm not sure, I think.
Yes, you are somewhat right.
Uh, as in, one second, ma'am.
And you can feel it onto your
Maybe
elbow also. You can feel it onto your elbow also. Okay. So at elbow you have, on the medial side of the elbow you can feel it. Okay. If you will put your two fingers onto the medial side of your elbow. Okay. So there you will find the brachial artery. Okay.
D.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There are other points also. First you write about this, then I'll tell you of for others also. Mantisha, any doubt?
No.
Ma'am, veins can't be felt, right?
Sorry?
Veins can't be felt.
Veins.
Yeah.
Dear, veins you can see superficially.
These
Whatever you can see beneath your skin are the veins.
no,
But
no, I mean, sorry. Ma'am, I meant we can't feel the veins. Sorry.
no, no, no. What's the requirement to feel the vein if you can see them superficially?
Yeah. No, like I meant the pulse rate, not as in C. And the second one is neck, and then which artery is written?
Carotid artery.
Carotid. Oh,
Yes. See, we have the artery onto the foot top of foot also. If I talk about the lower limb, so that this is present on the top of the foot, which is known as dorsalis pedis. Okay, dorsalis pedis is the artery which is present at the top of the foot. Then you have one artery at the back of your knee. Popliteal artery is there. Okay, at the back of your knee. We have popliteal artery. Then artery can be felt on the groin area also. This is very common in the case of children. Okay, in the groin area, femoral artery can be felt. I think this is enough for you to understand.
ma'am, there's a few. The last one, the last one.
Femoral, FEMOR, femoral artery. This can be felt in the children commonly.
Ma'am, what's the normal pulse rate?
Sorry,
What's the normal pulse rate?
that is 60 to 100.
The pulse
Okay.
and the heart.
I told you heart rate, pulse rate, they all are same. But if you are feeling those rates onto these regions, so you can't consider that under the heart rate because this is not your heart. Wrist is not your heart. Okay, these are different parts, different body parts where you can feel. So here you are using the term pulse rate. Pulse rate and heart rate, both are same, having the 60 to 100 as the normal range. Okay.
So like whenever we like go out and run and when we come back, so like the heart rate which we have will be the same as the pulse rate.
Yes. Okay. One more thing I want to make you understand. If you are coming after a vigorous exercise, okay. So where you can feel your pulse, where you can feel the heartbeat. Will you be able to see without the stethoscope? Will you be able to feel it without the stethoscope? Heart rate.
Yeah, we can.
After you, ma'am, sorry, I didn't get the question. After you came from what?
After you are coming from a vigorous exercise. Okay. So
Okay, yeah.
if you don't have the stethoscope,
Yes, ma'am.
so how you will be able to know that your pulse or pulse rate or the heart rate is between the normal range?
It's between the normal range or not.
If you don't know how to check it with a stethoscope, and I don't think that usually people don't have their stethoscope at the home. Only doctors have that. So
Ma'am,
how
it
will you
is
check?
not
By
sure.
these regions only. Mantasha, from these regions only you can
Yeah,
calculate your heart rate or the pulse rate. Okay.
Okay.
That then, as you asked me, the range is between 60 to 100 only. Have you
like there's
people seen the pulse
like
oximeter? That
pulse
is,
of
yeah, that is inserted onto your finger. Okay,
yes, ma'am. With
Yeah.
the
and you
pulse.
see the readings. So sometimes in some pulse oximetry, it is represented as pulse rate, or in some oximetry, it is written as heart rate. Okay, so don't get confused. It is the range between 60 to 100 only. Okay, if you see PR, then only it is denoting the heart rate. If it is HR, then only it will be the pulse rate. Okay, don't get confused with this. The range is same for both. Understood, Mantisha?
Yeah, ma'am.
One more thing I want to tell you people is SpO2 level. Okay, these are the extra information I'm giving you, but you can apply this at home also if you had that pulse oximetry. So add on to this SpO2 level, you will be able to check oxygen level in the body. Okay, oxygen level in body. So if this oxygen level goes beyond your like 94%, okay, in some cases it is 94 or in some cases it is 95. So if it is going below this, then most probably the person will be having shortness of breath because oxygen level is decreasing. Okay, so in that case you will find the pulse rate or the heart rate more beyond 100 because your heart is pumping to meet the demands of the oxygen for the body. Okay, so if this oxygen saturation level is dropping down, so it is making your heart to work faster, to beat faster, to meet the oxygen demands in the body. So in that case, your heart rate or the pulse rate will be more. Understood?
ma'am.
Have you people written this? Should I move on to the next part? That is the excretory system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
with the excretory system now. Okay, any idea what do you understand by the excretory system?
Ma'am, it's basically like the system in which like we all consume food. So the food and the water which are like the leftover ones from which the body does not absorb the nutrients, they are excreted.
Okay. Mantisha, what do you think? What could be the excretory system?
Where the waste products are extracted from the body.
So before understanding the excretory system, let's understand what is excretion. So this is simply of waste products from the body. Okay, waste products from the body. Why there is the need for the removal of the waste products? Can anybody tell me why
Ma'am,
there
like
is the
body can't just like digest or keep everything inside it. It has to like if a container gets full, it will start the stuff won't fit inside it more. So it's same like the body only.
Can I simply say to reduce the toxicity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? In simple terms, to reduce the toxicity in the body, we need removal of the waste products. Okay? Yes or no? So we have understood that excretion is the removal or the elimination of the waste product from the body. Why do we need it? We need it to reduce the toxicity. So for the excretion, you have the excretory system. Okay, you have the excretory system. Now within your excretory system you have different parts. Okay, within the excretory system you have different parts. Are you able to see this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's understand the parts. See, these are your two kidneys. Okay, this is the first kidney and this is the second kidney. Left or right kidney, I can say. Okay, now here also you have the arteries and veins. Okay, so the one which is connecting to one kidney is the renal artery and the other is the renal vein. Okay, now renal, why I'm calling it as renal or artery and renal vein? Because for the excretory term, for the excretory system, we will also we will always use renal. Okay, whenever we are talking about renal, that means we are talking about the kidneys. Okay, and if we are talking about the hepatic, okay, whenever you see a word, this is an extra information. Whenever you see a word hepatic, so this is related to the liver. Okay, so whenever you are talking about something related to the liver, so you will find the word hepatic. And whenever you will be knowing something about the kidneys, so you are talking about the renal system. Okay, renal system, understood? So we have the renal vein and renal artery because they are supplying to your kidneys. Okay, now your kidneys are having two long tubes. Okay, two long tubes. So this, let's say this is the left part, this is the right part. So this is left ureter and this is the right ureter. Okay, so this ureter is a long tube which is connecting the kidneys to the bladder. Okay, so this swollen bag is a bladder where your urine is collected. Okay, here the urine is collected. So I can say this is an elastic bag. Yes or no? Because it is holding the water, it is holding the urine. So that must be the elastic bag. Now your urine is excreted through the urethra. Okay, understood? There is an opening that is known as the urethra from where the urine is passed. Understood? All the parts of the kidney, all the parts of the excretory system. Please check it and let me know anything that you have not understood in any of the part. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in any of the part? Mantasha? Shreya? Sad, why
No,
have you
ma'am.
joined so late, dear?
Ma'am, because like what do you call? There's a password on this laptop, and then like my mother was saying that my father would come, but then he didn't came till now, so that's why.
We have completed the circulatory system today and we have started the excretory system. Okay, so within the excretory system, let's talk about the kidneys first. Okay, let's talk about the kidneys. So kidneys are in pair. Okay, you have a pair of kidneys. Pair meaning you have two kidneys in your body. Fine. What could be the role of the kidneys? Any idea?
Ma'am, like the kidneys, they like what do you call? Like purify the blood.
Filtration of blood. Okay,
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
responsible for filtration of blood. Why the filtration is required? To remove the waste. Okay, to remove the waste. Okay, Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they are supplied by the renal artery, okay, and renal vein. What do you think? What could be the shape of the kidneys?
Like a bean.
These are bean shaped organs.
Like in a B shape.
Sorry?
In the shape of the letter B, like that.
Yeah, this is bean. Okay. So your renal artery must be containing which type of blood?
Oxygenated.
Yes. And which one is containing the deoxygenated blood?
Renal vein.
Renal vein. So these two vessels, if we see in the diagram again, these two vessels are carrying the blood, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood to the kidneys. Okay. So that your kidneys will filter out the blood. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have the ureter, then you have the secondly you have the ureter. Ureter are the tubes connecting kidneys to bladder. Okay, kidneys, bladder. Okay. Now if I talk about the bladder, so bladder is a pouch. Okay. So this is a pouch-like structure. Pouch-like structure, and this holds the urine. Okay, and holds the urine. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And last, we have the urethra. Okay. Fourth part is the urethra. Okay. So the urine is passed through this muscular organ. Okay. All of them are the muscular organ only. Okay. Bladder is also muscular, ureter. None of the structure is made up of the bones. Your even kidneys are also muscular. Fine. So the urine is passed through urethra. Okay. Please write these points quickly. Are you able to see this? Whatever I
Ma'am,
have.
ma'am, one thing, can you like scroll a bit up so can I see like what did you just do? Like what did you write?
Don't worry. You write about the excretory system. I'll give you time to take the screenshot. Just write about the
Okay.
Mantisha, I checked your assignment, dear. Hello.
Yeah.
So I have written the remarks also. Always write the answers in a separate white sheet. Okay. The sheet that is being shared to you contains only the questions. You don't have to write the answer on them. The answers has to be written onto a separate sheet, and that you have to upload. Okay?
Okay.
And I have seen that you have written the answers only in one word. No, dear, you have to explain the answer also. Wherever it is required, you have to write only the one word. But whenever they are asking for the explanation, okay, you have to write the complete answer. Otherwise, the school teacher will deduct your marks. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubt in any of the point today, whatever we have done?
No, ma'am.
I think that this is easy and interesting to know.
Yes, ma'am, especially the hard one.
Okay, today I have ended up your chapter. In the next class, which chapter do you want to start?
Ma'am, can we
Ma'am,
just do with
basis
the
and
motion
salts.
and time like
Ma'am, acid,
Motion
basis,
and
and salts.
acid, bases and salt, Shreya. I think we have already done that chapter. Half of the chapter we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mantisha, which chapter do you want to start, dear?
Ma'am, we can do with elements, compounds, and chemical equations also.
Ma'am, like electric current and its effects.
ma'am this time can you like what do you call like take
When
my
do you
opinion?
people have your exams now?
For me right now it's just like what do you call it's just only a Monday test, not periodic assessment.
When do you have the periodic assessment, Saad?
Like during January.
We have a lot of time then. Shreya, when do you have your exam?
Ma'am, for me also after January only.
And for Mantisha also?
Ma'am, I don't know. Like they told that this is periodic two is in this month, but still we didn't get the syllables and all.
You have not yet got the syllabus.
Like no, we don't also know that when is the periodic test because they are telling that it's in this month.
And how many chapters are you getting?
That also they didn't tell.
For me I'm getting 3.
What are those, Saad?
Down.
Right now I didn't get the chapters. I have to check maybe like they send it because they just send it really early or else like what do you call because but I know that I'll get like 3 chapters, one from biology, one from this physics and one from chemistry. For biology I know it's what do you call this the respiration in animals, yeah, like
Respiration in organisms, we have
yeah, yeah,
already done
yeah.
that, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
We completed respiration in organisms.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little?
Okay, Saad, which chapter is going on right now in your school?
Right now for like biology, now we are doing this chapter.
In physics?
Physics, right? Like my physics and chemistry teacher is the same, so she's doing soil like less like s- chemistry soil.
Okay, so you have not started any physics chapter.
I mean like we already did it.
Which chapter is that?
Light and then motion
Light
and
we have already done.
I did, yes,
yes,
ma'am.
motion and time.
Okay, motion and time is there. Shreya, same with you. Which chapter is going on in physics and chemistry?
Ma'am, I have only one science teacher, so like right now we're doing with acids, bases, and salts. And then like 2 days ago, we finished with elements, compounds, and chemical equations.
Ma'am, physical change and chemical change, and then I forgot there's one more. We did it like at the start.
Okay, I'll try to finish off major chapters before your January test. Okay, I'll start the chapter accordingly then. Acid, bases, and salts. Shreya, we have done till any idea?
One second, ma'am. Ma'am, I did in my other notebook. I'll tell 1 second.
Acid, bases, and salts.
Yes, ma'am. We did it till, wait, till the uses of bases, till calcium hydroxide, uses of bases.
Okay, so students, I'll try to finish off this chapter early. Okay, acids, bases, and salts we'll start in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
have you people written this? Saad, you stay in the meeting, dear. You have to take the screenshots. Others, please let me know. Have you people done?
Ma'am, for my that exam, this chapter will also come. Elements, compounds, and chemical equations.
Okay, we'll try to finish off the acid, bases, and salts first. Okay, let's
Okay.
finish the chapter. Have you people written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, there is one more point that in the case of aquatic animals, ammonia is the excretory product. In the case of terrestrial animals, it is uric acid, and in the case of humans, the waste product is urea. So these products are excreted from the body. This is important. Or else you take the screenshot of this slide here, because I have another class right now. You take the screenshot of this slide, and dialysis is the process whenever your kidneys are not working. Okay, in this case, this process is done when kidneys fail to filter the blood. Okay, kidneys fail to filter the blood. Okay, so this you have seen in elderly population usually. So by dialysis, the blood is filtered. Okay, this is an artificial method to filter the blood when both the kidneys are completely damaged. Okay, please take the
Okay, ma'am.
screenshot of this.
I took.
Transpiration. Oh, nothing.
Transpiration we have already done in
Yes.
the. Okay, now
Okay.
others can leave the meeting, and please revise these topics from the textbook. Sad, you please stay here only. You have to take the
Okay.
screenshot. We have started today from the heartbeat. Yes.
And can you just scroll?
Sad, take the screenshot.
Okay, can I like next?
Take the screenshot.
Pulse rate. Done. And then like can you done and then can you scroll down?
This you have, I think, written.
Not like full, not like the whole thing.
Take the screenshot of this.
This done.
So please revise these topics from your textbook also, and come with your doubts in the next
Ma'am, by
class.
the way, I didn't
Okay?
like do this. I didn't start this chapter. Like,
Don't, okay, not an issue. Not an issue. We have done it. Okay?
okay,